everybody, my name is David Thomas, and I am now inside either your computer or TV to talk about one thing: albinism. Now, this is a rare chronic genetic disease that can be found in the U.S. in 5 out of every 100,000 people.
Are you sure about that?
Well, if you don't know what chronic means, it means going on for a long time or coming back again, as in a disease or a problem. Now, albinism in a wide sense is very simple. It affects the pigmentation on your body or in parts of the body. For example, always in albinism, it always affects the eyes. It can affect the skin. Now, the ratio of people that can get affected by albinism actually varies by country and geographical area. For example, in Nigeria, the ratio is 20 out of 100,000 people. Now, there's no cure for albinism, but you can treat it with therapy, covering the skin, and treatment for eye problems if you have any. I'm going to explain that part later. Now, there are two types of albinism in humans: oculocutaneous, meaning affecting the eyes, skin, hair, and then there's ocular, meaning it only affects the eyes. I mean, I bet you could figure that part out. Now, the loss of melanin coming from albinism is associated with recessive gene alleles and an absence or defect in tyrosinase. Now, tyrosinase is an enzyme that contains copper, which is involved in the creation of melanin. Now, if albinism affects your whole body, then you're called albino. But if it affects a small part, little different areas around the body, for example, then you're called leucistic or albinoid. Strange, huh? Well, the more you know. Now, the gene and chromosome that cause albinism are the TYR gene and the X chromosome. Okay, so if your TYR gene is altered, damaged, gone, you get no production of melanin, so that could cause albinism. Or if albinism in your X chromosome is recessive, you will have a loss in pigmentation. Yep. It's that easy, folks. It's that easy. Now, if you want to see a person with albinism, here we go. I'm going to put it in. Now, editor, please put it in. Wait, no, that's me. Me, please put it in right now. Yay. Hopefully I did it. Now, your doctor can perform a diagnosis by just looking at you. But if you want even more background to that, trust in your doctor. No. An ophthalmologist can perform an electroretinogram test, which can reveal vision problems related to albinism. A visual evoked potentials test, which can be very useful when the diagnosis is uncertain. The life expectancy of a person with albinism is not altered, as it does not affect a crucial bodily function, unless you like to be out in the sun a lot. Then you could get skin cancer. And that opens up for the next part: Melanin. Why it affects. Yeah. Melanin blocks harmful UV rays from the sun from entering in your skin, which, well, it still enters, but from entering too far into your skin, which could, alter some cells, causing skin cancer. It's not fun. It's not fun. So, a person affected is advised to wear protective clothing over skin, sunblock on hands, face, and other exposed parts of the body, and don't go getting a beach tan. Trust me. Pigmentation in the eyes is a crucial factor for normal sight. When affected with albinism, the pigmentation in the retina and the light-sensitive tissue in the back of the eye is affected. This can cause blurry sight, problems with depth perception, lazy eye, that when you're looking forward and your eye can stay somewhere else, like that. And increased sensitivity to light. Gene therapy isn't a possibility for treatment. There's no treatment available. You just protect your skin, take precautions. Now, the National Organization for Albinism and Hyperpigmentation is the leading organization in research and development for albinism. They fund scientists who strive to learn more about the disease and hold and participate in national conferences for the disease. Here's something for me to leave off. There's nobody who knows everything. The only people who strive to learn more things to benefit, see things are real, if they can happen, or why they happen. All genetic disorders are lands of their own, full of secrets and mysteries, waiting to be uncovered. It's the people who explore that, look for clues to answer one question, who are called scientists. And that question can be applied to everything. That question is, what, why, and how does this happen? Thanks for your time, for listening to me. And I bid you farewell.